Oh, snowbirds are coming to take a bath. It's actually pretty nice out today. So all the birds are taking advantage of that.
Oh, isn't he sweet? There he is. He's so pretty. There's a female cardinal. Looks like she's come to get some food.
Look, there's the woodpecker. He comes to my yard every once in a while. He's pretty cool. I like him. Looks like he's found something in the tree. He's really working it. There he goes up the tree. He's so quick. Oh, there's a good shot of him. There he goes. Look, there's my little dove. Isn't he beautiful? Up there in the trees in the sunshine. I love my birds. I love to listen to them sing in the morning. I love the way they look. Not so crazy about how they poo all over everything. That's one bad thing about them. They really don't care where they poo. They are beautiful to look at. I have all kinds of birds.